Hi everybody, today we are looking at VLOOKUP. So let's get right into it. VLOOKUP is a very essential tool in Excel. It is being used to look up values in a table array, all right? So let's get right into it. So we are going to be looking out for shoes, gloves, and socks. So these are the products that we would like to have a lookup for. So we want to use the VLOOKUP function to look out for the prices of these products that we have here. So we are just, the first thing is, you already know, your equals sign, equals to sign, and then you type your V, then it brings out a strings of options right here, and then you go over to VLOOKUP and you click on VLOOKUP. You can see that, okay? You can see that the parenthesis is opened. Now you can see so many options right here, from lookup value, table array, column index number, and range lookup. Now let me explain the lookup value. The lookup value, that is the particular value that we want to see, that we want to check for. The value we want to check for, that is a lookup value. And in this context, we want to look up for the price of shoes. So that is our lookup value. The table array, that is the table with which that we want to find out where the lookup value is from. That is where the lookup value is present or is in. Okay, the column index number, that is the number. The column index number is the column with which we want to find out about our lookup value. And then the range lookup is usually in either false, okay, or exact. We are going to be taking that one after the other. The lookup value here is the shoes. So you just click on the shoes and it brings this is D2. That's because shoes is under D2. Okay, then you put a comma, and then we look at the table array. What is a table array? This is a table where you're going to find your lookup value. That is a table array. So this is our table array. That is the table that has the product and price. That is the table. So what are we going to do here? So you come here and you see that little arrow. Then you drag. Now, when you drag, can you see something like 2C? 2C. That C there stands for column. Okay, so that 2 there is our column index number. That's our column index number. Okay, that is our column index number. So that is it. So you can see that we've done that, and then you leave it, you drop it, and you put a comma. Don't forget our column index number, which is 2. Okay, our column index number is 2 from what we got the other time. Sometimes it could even be more than 2. It could be 5, depending on the kind of table you're using and the number of columns that are on your table. Okay, sometimes you could have 10 columns, and the only place that you would like to pick out your value from is just in 5 columns. Okay, so this that is your column index number. Always take notes anytime you drag this man right here. Okay, sorry, it has already given us our number. Let's quickly write out the formula again. Let's write out the formula. We have our lookup value here, and then our table array. Okay, this is it. Don't forget, once you click on that arrow, you drag. Just that, can you see that 2C? Yeah, so that 2C, that C stands for column. So that C, that 2 there is the column index number. So you drop it and you have your comma, and then that 2, you add it, and then we have our range lookup. True. When we say true, approximate match, which means that it could be true or not so true. So most of the time, what range lookup we make use of is false, because the false will return the exact number, the exact match that we are looking for. So we click on false. So immediately I clicked on false, you can see that it brought out my lookup value, which is what? 50. You can see that here. So if you want to check that for every other product, you can drag it down. Can you see that? But if you're looking at a wide range of numbers, okay, maybe your sheet, you're looking for like a whole lot of rows and columns, what you can do is you lock this table here, you lock it, you lock this man here. So you put this space here, your arrow here, your cursor here, and you type F4. F4 is on your keyboard, okay? F4. So just click on F4. So F4 will lock the entire table array. Okay, don't forget that. F4 will lock it so that it will return whatever thing that you need to look up for. And then you press enter. Can you see that it is still the same thing? So, guys, that is all about VLOOKUP. Simple and short. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye.